homemade mask from gelatin and activated charcoal. We got this, the bowls, all right, the mixer. Now we're gonna, what is that? Is that a teaspoon? And
3 tablespoons of hot water. You gotta put the gelatin in first.
Damn, gotta put the gelatin in first. That is 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin right there. 1 tablespoon of, and 1, 2, 3 hot water. 3 tablespoons of hot water. Then you mix it until it's dissolved. Mix. All right, and then we go. And we mix it until it is completely mixed together. Just so y'all know, this unflavored gelatin smells like ass. And you want to make sure you get it all off of there.
Not like that.
You gotta get all them little particles down there inside of the gelatin. See? Look at this black masterpiece right here. Yeah. Mom is gonna apply it to my face.
Hold your hair back. Hurry up before it gets...
Let's go. Let's go. We're applying. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. What's up? Oh.
Not even as thick as it was before.
Oh. It did say you had to put on multiple layers, maybe.
There's no way. As much gel as it got before.
Oh.
Then you just use it more before.
Yeah, because we didn't let it sit.
You know, it's thick when you got gel.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
You gotta turn it sideways when I get to the side.
Oh, no, it's okay. Keep going. We need to.
Other side. Sucking bits. It's a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Nose. That just looks a little bit.
Does it?
It's not even going on like last time. It's going on a little thicker now. Still leaving gaps.
Well, put it on until it don't.
Suck your lip. Don't switch your head. Relax your head. That's leaving big old splotches. I think it's an epic film. You go to the side. It's running, it's splotching and dripping. You will try anything. It is too messy for most people. Would you go, yeah, I think that'd be too messy for most people.
A lot of money. Because them masks is expensive.
Yeah.
But now, see what? Go to the other side. Gotta get the other side again.
Again?
Yep, get it again. It says multiple layers. It's starting to look better. You missed my whole nose.
I don't think I missed the nose. I think it's just coming off.
Right there, you did.
I didn't want to get it in your eye.
Oh no, go, yeah, get as close as you can.
Well,
And actually, it doesn't taste like anything.
imagine you got it in the eye. Okay, starting to get thick in the bow now. In the bow, not your face. Are you not supposed to be telling people what it feel like?
I look like I just jumped in some oil.
I'm trying to get that piece off of your nose. There we go. Okay, it's starting to gel in the bows. So that means it should be starting to gel on the face. Hold your hair back again. Hold your hair back again.
Golly, it's in my teeth.
Hold your hair back again. It's starting to gel in the bow. This is the last little bit I'm gonna get to put on here. That's it. Oh, I scratched it on. All right, that's it.
Okay, now folks, we wait. It is 7:50 right now, so we wait 20 minutes, it says. Oh wow, it did nice. Oh yeah.
No, it didn't. Turn your face to the right, left. Not do nice.
For a homemade, it did alright.
Okay, come back.
We'll see.
Come back in.
We'll come back at, yeah, in 20 minutes. I'm trying to figure out what to do for 20 minutes. Oh, it's on my eyelash. Look at that. So it is definitely crusting up. It's getting like hard. Like I feel like if I move my mouth too much, then it might rip open or something.
You're not supposed to.
No, I know. Can you smell? Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. Never mind. Well, folks, I didn't think about. I just shaved, and it says not to do this after you get done shaving. Oh, we might have an issue. I'm gonna try to wash this shit off. Here we go. That's why it's redneck hacks. Don't do this at home unless you ask all the right questions. I mean, but oh wow, it's working. Maybe. Oh yeah, it's peeling off. Not Not as good as I wanted it to, but it's peeling off. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to have some. So hold on. I got some tweezers out from my Cricut kit. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Yeah, make sure you don't shave before doing this. Let me just go. I think I might have split my lip right there. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's very possible. Epic fail. Crazy, crazy. The cool thing about gelatin, adding water reduces effects. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I remember. Now, it did work. It worked. Just saying. Just saying, it worked. I just didn't do it properly, that's all. Slowly but surely it's coming off. This was still fun. Maybe the next one will be better. All I gotta say is, ask all the right questions when you're talking to ChatGPT, or you might be in some trouble. Alright, epic fail, but hey, it was fun. It did work. So, hit that subscribe, like that video, you know what I mean? Hey, appreciate you.